Hey, welcome back. Today we will learn some interesting things about Uranus. So let's start. So Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and like Jupiter and Saturn, it's a gas giant, which means it's made up of gases like ammonia and methane. It's also very cold. It has a temperature of around minus 224 degrees Celsius, and it is also the coldest planet in the solar system. Another interesting thing about Uranus is that it has an axial tilt of 82 degrees, which means it rotates on its poles, and it takes around 17 hours to complete one rotation. The orbital period of Uranus is 84 Earth years, which means it takes 84 years for Uranus to complete one revolution around the Sun. And in that 84 Earth years, one of its poles gets sunlight for 42 years straight. So that means the other pole is in darkness for 42 years. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system by diameter, and it's only behind Jupiter and Saturn. In terms of mass, Uranus is the fourth largest planet in the solar system, and its mass is 14 times higher than of Earth. The only planets which are more massive than Uranus are, of course, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. Uranus has a very complex climate. One of its features is that it has a very high wind speed of around 900 kilometers per hour, which is much higher than any hurricanes or tornadoes here on Earth. Like other gas giants, Uranus also has a ring system. However, its ring system is very faint and is not very easily detectable. And it has also many natural satellites. Its extremely dark ring system reflects only about 2% of the incoming light. And that's why it's very difficult to detect it. So far, scientists have discovered 28 moons of Uranus. Out of its 28 moons, it has 5 large moons, which are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Uranus is 19 times as far away from the Sun as the Earth is. And in spite of this large distance, it is still visible to the naked eye, although very dim. It was discovered by William Herschel in 1781, and as of today, it has been visited by only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, which flew by the planet in 1986. Although it can be observed by telescopes, there is much desire among scientists to revisit the planet. NASA has already proposed a mission called Uranus Orbiter and Probe Mission, which aims to visit Uranus by 2032. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned some interesting things about Uranus. Now, see you in the next video.